Jai Bharat, my dear student.
Jai Bharat, ma'am.
Welcome to Spellwell program.
Thank you, ma'am.
I am Jay Pranita, working as mathematics teacher in Sri Saraswati Vidyaniketan, Pakpatla. What about yourself?
My name is Rishivardhan. I am from 3rd class. My school name is Sri Saraswati Vidyaniketan. My father name is Srinivas. My mother name is Pushpa. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, are you ready for this Spellwell program?
Yes, I am ready, ma'am.
Okay, all the best for your competition.
Thank you, ma'am.
Your first word is believe.
B-E-L-I-V-E, believe.
Arrange.
A-R-R-A-N-J-A, arrange.
Clock.
C-L-O-C-K, clock.
Difference.
D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-C-E, difference.
Division.
D-I-V-I-S-I-O-N, division.
Cultural.
C-U-L-C-A-T-U-L, cultural.
Building.
B-U-I-L-D-I-N-J, building.
Common.
C-O-M-M-O-N, common.
Location.
L-O-C-A-T-I-O-N, location.
Movement.
M-O-V-E-M-E-N-T, movement.
Electronic.
E-L-A-C-T-R-O-N-C, electronic.
Attraction.
A-T-T-R-A-C-T-I-O-N, attraction.
Okay, your GK questions. When do we celebrate Children's Day?
November 14.
Very good. Which bird can fly highest?
Owl.
No. Which country has no agriculture?
Singapore.
Good. How many seconds are there in a minute?
60 seconds.
Good. Which is the largest flower? Which is the largest flower?
Rafflesia.
Very good. How did you feel about this program?
I felt very happy. Thank you, ma'am.